What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all having a good one. Actually, I have a new part that I installed, which is, can anyone guess what this is? I bet y'all really can't guess what this is before I actually, and don't wait until the end, or it's actually, you know, for the thing to be revealed. Y'all got like 5 more seconds to guess what it is. You guessed it. JLT catch can. Literally what it is just catches all the excess oil that's in the air, and it catches it before it goes into the intake, so it doesn't gunk up your intake and everything, which I promise you don't want. All right, so look, it has a clip right here. Pretty sure you just pull that down. Maybe. Yeah, there you go. Same thing for over here. Can't really see the clip, but there's a blue clip over there as well, and you just pull it out, right? What is it? Positive PCV crankcase ventilation or something like that. I could be wrong. This doesn't actually mount to anything. It just dangles by the actual hoses itself, which I guess that's a newer thing. Oh my gosh, man. Let's see what's actually in here. Can you see? Can you see? All right, so let me start off with this. I'm not a great mechanic, okay? I just learned that yesterday. So I posted on my Instagram, which will be in the description. On my story, I posted a video of me fixing my wife's inner and outer tie rods because the car was clicking, right? Took all day to get it fixed. And I ended up having to ride all over town to look for the right tool, which I never did find. So I ended up having to rigging something up. The inner tie rod is what was keeping me slowed up in the process, right? Okay, so remember that. Yo, tell me why after I got the car fixed, I don't know why I'm pointing at my car. Tell me why after I got her car fixed, I took it on a test drive, it didn't click at all. Like when you first started it and moved it, it clicked, but after that it didn't click anymore. Tell me why as soon as she got in the car, it started clicking again, bro. This is when I realized, I was like, okay, I'm not a great mechanic. It don't make sense to me though, because I LS swap the fiber, which is not hard. It's not hard. It's literally not hard. So I'm not like, oh, I'm a beast. But no, like I could do that, but I can't do tie rods, bro. I don't know. I'm saying all that to say this, right? I'm not a great mechanic. Apparently, bro. This car, before I start, this car has gotten a lot harder to drive. Oh, you guys see my white lights in there that I put in last night? Once I put that clutch in, the car, the lockout has always made like a weird sound. It always sounded loose after, and we had to take all that apart kinda to get the shifter to drop through the trans tunnel or whatever you want to call it, through the floor. It's been clicking and rattling ever since. Well, the other day I went to go to first, but it went all the way over to where you had to like pull up the lockout to go over and go up for reverse. So it did that. I'm like, okay, maybe I slung it a little hard. So I tested it out, kept testing it out, and it still had a little bit of click there, you know, a little lockout. It had a little bit of lockout left, and then eventually it just stopped locking out at all. Like it had no lockout. Look, see what I mean? And I'm sure it's something in there. It's like, look, see, that's reverse. See, you can't go down because second is over down. Reverse is its own slot by itself, and then down there's nothing. 2, and then this is where I've been having trouble because you don't want to be in reverse. So I always like fight it right here. That's reverse and that's first. See the difference? There's barely any difference. So without the lockout locking you over, you can just go straight up and you have to like really sit here and fiddle. I actually killed the car like freaking 3 times at a light already just because I started off in 3rd gear. My wife was getting weak. I'm like, look, you can walk, all right? You can walk, keep laughing. Now I kind of changed my plans a little bit. I know I apologize for the straight talking head video. So for right now, I think I'm gonna go intake, cold air intake. I already know which one I'm gonna get. I'm not gonna say it until I get it. So I'm just gonna do that, tune it. I'm not gonna go E yet. I'm gonna go E once I put the manifold on, and then I'm completely full bolt on. I'm gonna do that then, not now. I really do want a short throw because I don't want to replace the stock shifter internals, you know what I mean? Like that's kind of pointless. There's 2 options on my brain. It's MGW and Barton. So Barton is actually the cheaper one, and I like cheap. Oh yeah, here's another reason why I say I'm not a great mechanic, apparently, even though I don't get it. But look, so I tried to pry this up right last night. I'm not even gonna show you the video where I actually broke it, but look. So this is not supposed to separate. See that? All the broken tabs on there? Not supposed to be like that. So yeah, that's the update, man, on the car, bro. Like, of course, I break it. I don't know how I actually broke it, bro. Broken Mustang. kind of broken. Just means I can't really let no one drive it. I know I'm rambling on. I'm just trying to get a plan that I can get set up so things can go smooth. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video that I am producing for your eyeballs. Enough to get a subscription, or at least a thumbs down would even be sufficient.